Fine dust is a hot social issue nowadays. Fine dust is a small particle of which diameter is under 10 micrometer, especially one with diameter under 2.5 micrometer is called ultrafine particle. Since the width of our hair is 50 to 70 micrometer, we can feel how small an ultrafine particle is. Thus, these particles can infiltrate into our lungs and blood vessels. In 2013, WHO categorized fine dust as Class 1 carcinogen. How does fine dust affect our body? According to Seoul National University Hospital, acute exposure to fine dust can irritate our airway and cause cough and difficulty in breathing properly. Chronic exposure to it results in the decline of lung function, increase in chronic bronchitis, and even increased risk of mortality. People with pulmonary diseases and cardiovascular diseases, children, the elderly, and pregnant women must be especially careful because they are much more vulnerable to fine dust than ordinary people are. What is the cause of fine dust then? Main causes are air pollutants from China, mobile pollution sources like vehicles, and thermoelectric power plants. First, there are lots of factories in China which emit air pollutants including fine dust. Since Korea is located right next to China, it is largely affected by those harmful substances. Mobile pollution sources such as vehicles are also another serious cause of fine dust. They produce nitrogenous compound and sulfur oxide, NOx and SOx, which cause more fine dust. Thermoelectric power plants in service generate NOx and SOx as well, being one of the main causes of them, worsening the seriousness. When there is a high concentration of fine dust in the atmosphere, we should not go out as much as possible. After returning home, it is certainly recommended to wash our hands and to use an air cleaner at home if possible. Even if individuals try hard to avoid fine dust as much as possible, people cannot always stay indoors. There are limitations to the efforts of individuals, so the government should take the lead in reducing fine dust. It is our duty for us to make a clean air for our descendants. Thank you for listening to my speech.